Love is a complex emotion that affects people in many ways. It can make us feel happy and fulfilled, but it can also bring heartache and pain. Love is both a physical and emotional experience, and understanding how it affects us can help us navigate our relationships with greater insight and understanding. Physical effects of love. Love has a profound impact on our bodies. When we experience love, our bodies release a cascade of hormones that create physical changes. One of the most well-known hormones associated with love is dopamine. It's a neurotransmitter that is primarily produced in the brain, often referred to as the pleasure hormone. It is released when we experience pleasure or excitement and is responsible for the rush of euphoria that we feel when we are falling in love. An increased release of dopamine, in addition to creating feelings of pleasure and reward, can also lead to an increased desire for more time with a partner and a stronger attachment to them. Dopamine is also involved in the movement, motivation, and emotional regulation. Another hormone that is associated with love is oxytocin, which is sometimes called the cuddle hormone. Oxytocin is produced in the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a small, but very important, part of the brain located at the base of the brain, just above the brainstem. It plays a crucial role in the balance of various physiological functions in the body, including hunger, thirst, body temperature, sleep, and circadian rhythms. Oxytocin is released by the pituitary gland, which is located just below the hypothalamus. It is commonly referred to as the love hormone, because it is involved in social bonding, trust, and empathy. It is released during physical touches, such as hugging or holding hands, and is also released during childbirth and breastfeeding. Increased release of oxytocin not only promotes feelings of trust and bonding, but it can also lead to physical effects such as lower heart rate, reduced anxiety, and increased pain tolerance. In addition to dopamine and oxytocin, love also affects the levels of other hormones in our bodies. For example, when we are in love, our bodies produce more adrenaline. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is produced by the adrenal glands, which are located on top of the kidneys. It is responsible for the physical symptoms of excitement, such as increased heart rate and sweating, dilating the airways, and releasing glucose into the bloodstream to provide energy. Love also increases the levels of testosterone and estrogen in our bodies, which can lead to changes in sexual desire and behavior. Other important effects on physical health are reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Studies have shown that individuals in loving relationships have lower stress hormones such as cortisol levels, which can lead to a reduced risk of heart disease. A study of 60 couples found that their blood pressure was lower while they were socially interacting with their partner than when alone or interacting with other people. Strangely, the decrease in blood pressure happened even when the couples believed their relationships to be less than stellar. Research shows that men and women who were married had less risk of cardiovascular problems than single men and women. The finding mirrored that of an analysis of over 280,000 men and women who were part of the National Longitudinal Mortality Study found marriage to be protective against heart disease. Stronger immune system. Love and social support have been shown to boost the immune system, leading to faster healing times and reduced risk of illness. Reduced stress levels. Being in love can promote feelings of calmness and relaxation, reducing stress levels and improving overall well-being. Improved overall well-being. The positive effects of love can lead to improved physical health, as well as increased satisfaction with life and overall happiness. Emotional effects of love. Love is an incredibly powerful emotion, and it can have a profound impact on our emotional well-being. When we are in love, we often feel a sense of happiness, contentment, and fulfillment. Love can make us feel like we have found our soulmate. Being in love can provide individuals with a sense of purpose, as they may feel more motivated to pursue goals and make decisions that benefit their partner and relationship. Increased connection and closeness with a partner can lead to feelings of intimacy, security, and a stronger emotional bond. Positive impact on mental health. Love can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, as well as promote positive emotions such as happiness, contentment, and joy. Increased resilience. Being in a loving relationship can provide individuals with a source of support and comfort during difficult times, increasing their resilience and ability to cope with stress and adversity. However, love can also be a source of emotional pain and heartache. When a relationship ends, it can be devastating and can lead to feelings of sadness, loneliness, and despair. When relationships end or love is not reciprocated, individuals may experience a range of negative emotions such as sadness, anger, or disappointment. Love can also create feelings of anxiety and insecurity, particularly when we are uncertain about our partner's feelings or intentions. The emotional effects of love can vary depending on the nature of the relationship. For example, romantic love is often associated with intense emotions, such as passion and infatuation, while love between family members is often characterized by feelings of warmth, caring, and protectiveness. Conclusion: love is a complex emotion that affects us in many ways. It can create physical changes in our bodies, such as the release of hormones like dopamine and oxytocin, and it can have a profound impact on our emotional well-being. While love can bring happiness and fulfillment, it can also be a source of emotional pain and heartache. Understanding the physical and emotional effects of love can help us navigate our relationships with greater insight and understanding, and it can help us to cultivate healthy and fulfilling connections with the people we love.